One thing worth noting is this is a fuel tank for an EFI, and as you can see, this is a carb model. So the carb model tank just has a fuel gauge. The EFI tank has room for a fuel pump, and then here's where you put your fuel, and then it's got a gauge on the side. I cut out a piece of plastic on my bandsaw that was about the diameter that would fit in here. The plastic was polyethylene, which is the same material that the gas tank itself is made out of. What I am going to need to do is put a pickup tube from here down into the tank. So I'm going to take it out of that tank, put it in this tank. We're going to put this seat and tank on this sled. All right, so the pickup tube fell into this gas tank. I can't really get to it because there's a bunch of gas in it. The fuel pickup is still in here. So I'm trying to soak up the gasoline with this cardboard, but also hoping the pickup comes out of the hole. This tank is junk, so I'm just gonna Sawzall it apart. That's what I'm gonna do. There we go. Got our fuel line and pickup tube thing, filter. Now we're going to take the fuel pickup filter, going to slap on one of these clamps. Where are you going? Nowhere. This might be a little trickier because I need to thread this through, and I don't know if this is going to fit through there. I'm trying to think how would be the easiest way to do this. So what I wound up doing was I just used a zip tie because I could not get a hose clamp on there. It's just not enough barb to get a hose clamp on there. So hopefully a zip tie holds it on there. This is threaded all the way in there and has some of that yellow gasoline safe tape. Now what I'm going to do is just put a bead of black silicone on the cap here and thread this on. There we go. Nice, decent layer on there. Don't want to forget to hook up the taillight. Alright, so now that the gas tank is secured at the back, I just hooked up this vent tube to this little vent right here, and now we just need to hook up the fuel line. Got another one of these crimp connections. It's not going anywhere.